Molly, and today I'll be starting with a new channel which is Molly's Kitchen, and this is my first video. Hope you guys like it. This is going to be all about Oats Chilla. It's super healthy, super yummy. So try it all, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Molly's Kitchen. So first we need this powder of oats, and I've made the powder here. You can grind the oats and make this powder. Second, I've taken some chilies, and then I've taken some onions, some chopped onions. Then I've taken here red chili powder, and then last but not the least, I've taken salt according to your taste. You can even take cabbage or capsicum if you want. So I mixed everything here, and including water. I just forgot to tell water, but I included water as well, and this is the final consistency, and not that thick, not that thin. So let's just start making the chillas. So just put some oil here for base and put the batter on the tawa. Remember, you put good amount of the batter. So here we are putting the batter. So this is how my chilla looks now. Just keep it for around 10 minutes and you will be ready with the chillas on the lower side, and then next you need to shift the sides. So I've shifted this chilla to the other side, and we should wait for 5 minutes to be cooked on the front side. So finally our yummy healthy chillas are ready. I've served it with some ketchup, and this is how it looks now. So you can serve it to your kids for tiffin as well, because my mom serves it to me when I go to school. So I love them. If you guys like my recipe, if you want more of these, do comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Molly's Kitchen.